it's Emily. Today we're going to do the shaker. I know in class we've done some shakers using things like this and even some instruments like this. But since we're at home, I thought it would be fun if we make our own shakers. And I made a few shakers myself, and I hope you'll make some shakers and take pictures and post the pictures to the portfolio page. This one I made out of little pieces of macaroni. This one I used white beans. And this one I used quinoa. And what's fun about the shakers is the different things you put in the shakers make different sounds. So today we're going to use some egg shakers. This is an old Easter egg. I'm going to put some lentils in. And make sure you seal it up. Just take a little piece of tape. Moms and dads or kids, make sure you seal it up. And that gives us our shaker. And now we're ready to sing our shaker song. Yeah, let's go. So we're going to follow these pictures, watching me. We're going to all shake together. You can go faster or slower. Here we go. Shake it to the east, shake it to the west, shake it all around and then you take a rest. Good. Shake your shakers up, shake your shakers down, shake it, and then you settle down. We're going to listen to that steel drum. You can even give your shaker a shake if you like. Feel free to stand up and dance. We're going to go to the side one more time, to the east. Here we go. Shake it to the east, shake it to the west, shake it all around and then you take a rest. Shake your shakers up, shake your shakers down, shake it, and then you settle down. Maybe you go quieter. Put your shaker to sleep. Good job, friends. I'll see you next time.